Hello, this is how we cook some crispy fried chicken. To start off the video, we're going to use 1 cup of milk, and if you want you can use buttermilk because I've heard that it can tenderize the chicken, but to the milk or buttermilk, we're going to add 2 whole eggs. Now we will mix the eggs and the buttermilk together. We are using chicken thighs for this fried chicken. You can cut it into big pieces or small pieces. We're doing small pieces because they cook faster. After cutting the chicken, we're going to add it to the milk and egg mixture and we're going to let it rest for a bit. Now we're going to move on to the stuff that we're going to use to season our chicken. We have this thing that's going to blend all of our spices together. So we're going to use some dried onion. You can use onion powder if you want. We're going to use 1 spoon of dried oregano and 1 spoon of dried basil. We're also going to use some garlic powder. We're going to use 1 spoon of black cumin. You can use cumin powder if you want. So now we're going to add around 1 spoon of mustard seeds. If you want, you can use the already blended version. After that, we're going to add some smoked paprika powder. So we're going to roast 2 whole dry chipotle peppers. This is going to add a little bit of spice. If you want, you can just add some chili powder or anything else. So now we will blend all this together and we will have our spice mix that we're going to season our chicken with. We're also going to add 2 spoons of salt. Now we're going to make our breading. We're going to use 3 cups of flour. So now we're going to add 1 spoon of baking powder. Now we're going to add 2 big spoons of the seasoning that we use to give our chicken some flavor. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. And then we're going to add 2 spoons of rice flour. We're going to mix this all up. And here's the trick to getting those nice, crispy little chunks. So we're going to add a little bit of water on top. You're going to want to mix some of the flour and the water together. Make sure to really compress it and get these little chunks of flour. Those little chunks are going to make the chicken crispy. And yeah, they got to look kind of like this. Now we're going to put our chicken in the flour mix and make sure to really press the chicken and the flour together so that it sticks. We're going to continue doing that process until we finish covering all of our chicken. Now our oil is nice and hot. We're going to start frying the chicken until it's crispy and golden brown. Make sure to flip the chicken once it's ready so it doesn't burn. And yeah, you'll kind of be able to tell by how it looks when the chicken is ready. And when your chicken looks like this, it's done. And you repeat that process until you have a lot of delicious and crispy fried chicken. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. That's it for today. Goodbye.